Hello friends. While making your attainment booklet, you must have come across the list of students in which the last name, middle name, and mother's name is also there. But to find or to have the consistency with the names, that mother name needs to be deleted and it is a time-consuming process. So in this video, we will look at how to remove a particular text from the given text. So in order to convert this from capital to proper case, we will type equal to proper bracket open, select the text and say enter. Then you can drag this so that all names are converted into the proper case. Now if you see that the general uh, category of this text is equal to the formula, but we don't require that. So select this entire list, say copy and paste it as value. Now it will become text. Now what we can do is we can sort this into last name, name, middle name and mother's name. For that, what we can do is select the entire text, entire list, and in the data you select text to columns. Select the delimited, that is characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. Select on next. In the delimited section, select space, then select next. By default, it is selected as general. So select here and say text. Select the other field, also say text. All the four text to be selected as text. Here important thing is to select the destination. So click on this arrow and select this as the destination tab and select finish. You can see all my text is now separated. Only if you see that some names which are followed with the slash sign are showing as here it is showing as this different thing. So delete this. Because it is considering this also as separate character. So what we can do is those names which are being shifted, we can select that and move that to the desired space. So I'll pause this video, I'll do that and come back to you. Now we have done with the sorting of the data. Now the last step is remaining, that is to concatenate. So for that, what we will do is we will say equal to concat open bracket. The first name to come in the concat list will be the last name. So last name, then comma, and we want space between the two text. So we will say open inverted brackets, then type space bar, then again inverted brackets, then comma, the next text, then again comma, inverted bracket, space, inverted comma, again comma, then the middle name and bracket closed and press enter. So this is the desired name that we have, and then we can just drag this for the entire thing to get our list of names. So this is how you can remove a particular text from the given list, and this will be the required thing that we will keep it in our attainment booklet and course booklet as a list of names. Thank you for listening.